One thing pretty cool that's kind of been the huge talk of the industry, no matter if it's walleye fishing or bass fishing, is a new plastic from Berkley, and that is in the Lab Series. You know, one thing about Berkley is they've always stayed on the front lines of coming out with the latest scent technology, no matter what plastic it was. You know, obviously we had the PowerBait for a long time, which was a taste thing, right? Like a fish, you know, bit it, they tasted something, and then it kind of evolved and there was Gulp, which in all essence was a sponge that basically allowed the scent dispersion into the water for fish to smell something, then obviously taste it when it was in their mouth. And then it kind of went to MaxScent, which MaxScent had a lot more characteristics of both them. It had a scent dispersion and then also had the taste as well, but it never dried out like Gulp did. But it was kind of limited with the colors that were in that material. But obviously MaxScent, Gulp, and PowerBait has done so well. And this new Lab Series has kind of incorporated everything they've learned into different layers within this plastic. And this was one thing I really used at Lake Erie for our first National Walleye Tour event here. But, you know, for instance, this minnow here has different layers to it, right? On top, it has the MaxScent layer for the scent. On the bottom part of it, it has the PowerBait, which in PowerBait, you can have a lot of those translucent colors and a lot of more like detailed or, you know, high-end looking colors or natural colors. But then on top of it, it has this dust or this powder, which turns into a slime coating when it's water activated into the water. But at the end of the day, it doesn't dry out. It's very durable. It lasts a long time. I mean, here's just for instance, in the National Walleye Tour event, every one of my fish on day one were accounted for all on this Lab Series minnow here with a 1/2 ounce jig. And, you know, day two, maybe half my fish, and I probably only had maybe 10 on day two, but it was almost 30 plus fish on day one. And, you know, here's the handful of plastics that I used from the pre-fish all the way into the tournament. I mean, the durability I was really impressed with. But this is gonna come out in 3 different shapes to start here. It's gonna have the 5 1/4 inch minnow. There's gonna be a 6 1/2 inch minnow. But then there's gonna be this finesse worm. And, you know, the packaging, you know, here obviously, you know, shows, you know, how thought out and how detailed they went into, you know, having a very slim package that obviously didn't take up a lot of space. But you can see here in this finesse worm how limber this is. It's basically hand poured technology that allows it to be very soft, very limber, and obviously have, you know, incredible colors to it. But then the third shape is going to be the flatworm, which has obviously been a staple in the MaxScent line, and especially a go-to for drop shotting in a lot of the smallmouth applications. But you know, one thing about this is it hasn't been available to the public yet, but the first week of May is going to be available at retailers and online at berkleyfishing.com here. But let's face it, no matter if it's been bass, walleye, so far it has kind of taken over, you know, the tournament wins on the Bassmaster Classic, on our National Walleye Tour event, and some Lake Erie Walleye Trail tournaments. So it's really proven itself in a short amount of time, and I've been really impressed with it the little bit that I've got to use it.